Meaning of frieze.
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 Freeze.
Frieze. The word frieze refers to a decorative band or border that often runs along the upper part of an interior wall. Typically, friezes are characterized by intricate designs and patterns, which may include images of plants, animals, or mythological figures. They can be made from a variety of materials, such as stucco, stone, or wood. Friezes were popularized in ancient Greek and Roman architecture and continue to be used in modern interior design. Overall, the word frieze denotes a visually striking and ornamental element that adds depth and character to architectural spaces.